I'm pretty sure, no, a lot of the cabinet secretaries of Bongbong Marcos, when they started out, were also excited about doing something good, di ba? Until they saw who and what this man is. Empty, vacuous, fractured, lazy, careless. They know he's into drugs. They know that he's fully incapable of leading. And then it all went downhill really fast from there on, no? So, in other words, ang sinasabi ko, hindi talaga yung cabinet secretaries ang problema. Sure, there are, no? A handful, mga kurakot, no? Marami dyan, kurakot, incompetent, etc., etc. But, it all stems from the leader. Si Bongbong Marcos ang pinaka-problema dito. Mr. Marcos, you are the problem. You should be the one resigning. You should be the one, if you have any love for country left, which I seriously doubt, ikaw dapat ang bumababa. Ikaw ang punot dulo ng lahat ng problema sa Pilipinas ngayon. Ikaw. You opened the portals of hell to this country so that yung mga demonyo are out there freely tormenting the Filipino people, and you do not have the spine, you do not have the character, you do not have the capacity, the moral, the psychological, the mental, spiritual fortitude to lead the country. You are the problem in this country. You ought to step down and resign. But you know what? We know you never will, because an evil man, sabi nga ni Sun Tzu, will burn down an entire nation for power. And this is what we're seeing right now.